欢迎来到北京。我们的飞机停靠在首都国际机场1号航站楼，飞机还需要滑行一段时间，请您不要站立，并保持手机电源关闭。等飞机完全停稳后，我们将调亮全部客舱灯光，届时请您整理好全部行李物品下机。开启行李架时请小心，您交易的行李请到机场到达厅提取。需要转乘航班前往其他城市的旅客，下机后请根据地面工作人员的指引或中转标识办理换乘手续。海南航空在 T1 航站楼2楼出发厅为您准备了高端舒适的中转休息室，免费提供中转候机服务。如有疑问，我们的地勤人员很乐意为您提供帮助。由于航班延误给您带来的不便，在此向您深表歉意，并感谢您在航班延误期间对我们工作的理解和配合。作为本次航班的客舱经理，代表全体机组成员，感谢您对海航一直以来的支持。不期而遇，相伴相惜，海南航空期待与您再次同行。谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Beijing. We'll be arriving at Terminal 1 at Capital International Airport. Please remain seated and keep your mobile phone switched off. Please don't open the overhead locker until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. If you are making a connection, please take out of your carry-on items and disembark. The ground staff will provide the connect information for you. We are pleased to welcome you to our comfortable perfume new transfer lounge and departure hall of Terminal 1 for free. Our staff live available to our free master service. We apologize for inconvenience caused by delay. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. All lights will be to see at this time. We thank you for choosing to fly with Hainan Airlines, and we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.